Day 14, part 3. In the Hatha Yoga session, as I mentioned before, we practice teaching methods, which is empirical to become good yoga teachers in the future. And then, as usual, we ended the day with the meditation session. Just as a highlight, we previously in pranayama, we've actually been discussing shat karma, which are 6 cleansing techniques. One of those techniques is called tratak, which is a gazing technique for eye cleansing. So we practice that today in the meditation session at the end of the day when we gaze at a candle flame. Post the session, I can confirm that you feel more mindful. You have a heightened sense of like a sharpened focus. I believe I did feel sort of a more converging sense of concentration as well. I will highly recommend this practice, but with obviously careful precautions. Please don't hurt your eyes. Be careful. Stay safe.